Welcome to our tutorial about the Infer Constraint function. The button that activates this option is located at the far left of my status bar. When active, Infer Constraint lets you place your constraints while you're drawing your geometry. Let's switch the tool on. And let's create a rectangle. Left-click to place my second corner, and AutoCAD applied 4 parallel constraints and 1 perpendicular constraint automatically. Let's right-click on the Infer Constraint toggle and go to the Settings dialog window. Here's the Constraint Settings dialog window. We've seen this before. We're on the Geometric tab right now. You can uncheck this box to turn Infer Constraint off. When checked, the tool is active. Under Constraint Bar Display Settings, let's uncheck Parallel and click OK. Now it looks like our parallel constraints were deleted, but that's actually not the case. Let's create another rectangle. We have the perpendicular constraint, but the parallel constraints are not visible here either. Let me select the top right corner and drag. Oh, snap was off. Let's undo and activate snap mode. And let me adjust the rectangle again. The parallel constraints are still here, but they're just not visible. When we go back to the Settings dialog window, check the parallel constraint, it becomes visible in model space. By the way, another reason you might not see the constraints is if they're hidden. Just click the Show Hide buttons in the Geometric panel on the Parametric tab. Let's get back to the Home tab and place a couple lines. Ortho mode is toggled on. I'm going to place a couple horizontal lines, and the constraint is placed automatically. Now let's draw a vertical line. Here's the perpendicular constraint, also placed automatically, and another perpendicular constraint. Let's activate the circle command now. Turn snap mode on. Let me snap the center of my circle to this corner and the radius to this corner. 2 coincident constraints were inferred and applied by AutoCAD. This concludes our tutorial about the Infer Constraint function.